Hey everyone, today we are going to solve another LeetCode problem, reverse bits. In this problem, we are given an array. In this problem, we are given an 32 bits signed integer and we need to reverse its binary representation and the output will be this. Let's take an example. The input will be 43261596 and its binary representation is this. So after reversing the bits, like moving from last to and so on, so the binary will be this and the output in decimal. Now the key idea here is we are not reversing the number, we are reversing the bits. So instead of thinking in decimal, we should think in terms of binary. So let's start with the solution. Step 1, we extract the last bit. So first question, how do we get the last bit? We can easily use an AND operator, right? This gives us the last bit of the number. Let's move to the solution. Step 1, we extract the last bit. And as you may know, the first question, how do we get the last bit? We can use simply AND since it gives us the last bit of the number. Step 2, it will be build the reverse number. So now once we got the last bit, we need to add it to our result. But before adding, we need to shift the result to the left to make space for the new bit. So let's take one example. So if I take example of 1011, so if I took out the last bit, that will be 1. And if the result is 0 for now and I append the last bit in this, so result will be 0 1. And to add one more bit, we have to shift it to the right side. So if I move this, so that will be 0 1 and 0. Now with the help of OR operator, like I'm using OR operator and 1, so we add the bit in the result, so it will be 0 1 1. And so on, we keep on adding. So step 2 will be result left shift 1, and then we will add the bit to the result, and the step 4 will be shift and right, that will be and right shift 1. So that's it. And this is very important point, we must run this loop exactly 32 times. Even if n becomes 0, we still continue, because leading 0 also matter in a 32-bit number. Now converting this logic into code is straightforward. You can easily implement it using a loop. So first we take a result as 0, then we run a loop from 0 to the 32-bit, then we take the last bit in bit equal to n and 1, then we take the result and we do left shift in this, then we append the bit in this, so that will be result or bit, then we simply right shift the n, and that's it. In the last, we simply return the result. Let me run the code. As you can see, we have successfully submitted this program. Its time complexity will be bigger of 32 since we are loop. So we can see that we can neglect the 32 and we can say that the time complexity will be bigger of 1. In the next video, we will continue with the next problem.